Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we'll be discussing about inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line. An inline element only takes up as much width as necessary. This is a span element inside a paragraph. Span element like this doesn't take, it does take the normal width that they specify in it as the default, but it doesn't take us to another paragraph. Every element you write beside it or under or after it, they are going to start by each side. So let me show you how it's work quickly. We are having bunch of them, as you can see them. Button element is also part of it. Anchor tag is also part of it. They are all like this small. So all this, the text area element also works the same. So let me show you how they work as an inline element. Back to our document. This is what we are having. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our block element, block inline element, HTML block inline element in our previous tutorial. You can check our block element where we discussed about this. You can check our playlist. We have different playlists for all this. We have the block and inline element playlist. You can check our playlist on it on this channel. So quickly, let me show you the code that did that for us. This is the code that did that for us. So there's no any magic in this. So right now we are going to do another one, which is for what? Inline element. We have did the block element, but right now we want to do the inline element. Let's delete all the styling also. So right now we want to use span. Let's use span element. Let's use and let's use another span element. Let's use good. Let's use another element. Let's use another span element. Let's use run. Let's use man. Let's use man. As we use man like this, let's reload our document. Can you see home, good, man? All of them, they came by their size, but they didn't jump to another line like the one we did in the block element. And let me show you what is going on here. This one now is not only the one. We can have the link anchor tag also. When we write or whatever we write inside it, no matter how the thing is, it's not going to jump to a new line. And we write another one also, it's not going to jump to any line. So let's say for instance now all this we make them like this, we did them like this. Instead of them to jump to a line like the way we arrange them like this, they will never jump to any line. They will never join to any line. So you are going to see them, they align. Can you see in the same line? So now on the same line, they are all on the same line right here. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. So for you to control, you can control it manually, but we are not going to do that right here. But I want to show you the space they are taking. So let's say span. You want to know the amount of space the span is taking. Let's say border. Let's use border. When we use border, let's use one pixel solid, right? This is 10 pixel. Let's use 1 pixel solid red. When we use 1 pixel solid red, when we use the 1 pixel solid, we are going to see the amount of the border they are taking, and also the anchor tag also. Let's use 1 pixel solid green, 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel border. We are going to use it's going to be 1 pixel solid green, 1 pixel solid green. Quickly. So when we save this element, you are going to see the amount of the border that you can, as you can see. So and we can control them later in the future. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I want you to notice all this one. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.